Hello friends! Today we are going to solve a math problem, so you need to put on your math thinking hats. Ready? Put them on. There we go. You are going to be mathematicians. You are going to think like a mathematician. You need some things to start though. So I want you to find this problem in your math packet, and then I want you to find some counters. You know what? I don't have counters at my house either. So I looked around my house and you know what I found? I found these itty bitty erasers. Aren't they adorable? But these could work for my counters. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to go find some counters. It could be cereal, it could be blocks, it could be rocks, anything you can find. And when you're ready, come back and start the video again. Okay, you're back. So you have your counters and you have your math page. So here we go. I'm gonna start by telling you my story. My story is, there are two birds at the beach. Two more birds join them. Let me tell you it again. There are two birds at the beach. Two more birds join them. Tell me my story back to me. Oh, some of you got it. Yes, there are two birds at the beach, then two more birds join them. So we need to find out how many birds are at the beach now. So we have our counters and we're gonna start with those, okay? So I'm gonna think to myself, there are two birds at the beach. So how many counters should I get? There are two birds at the beach. Two, right? I'm gonna show you my counters. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. There we go. So there are two birds at the beach. 1, 2. How many birds joined them? 2. So there were two birds and two more birds flew over to join them. Here we go. That bird joined them. Flap, 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 flap. Okay, so I have two birds at the beach and two more birds joined them. So how many birds do I have at the beach now? How could I figure this out? Yes, we could count them. Count yours all together too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you have 4 too? Amazing. So there are 4 birds at the beach. All right, now we're going to draw our thinking. And the way to do this is easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're going to just draw exactly what we did. So here's my paper. Move those over. So I had 2 birds to start, right? And I'm not actually gonna draw birds because remember in math, we can draw circles to show our thinking. So there are my 2 birds that were at the beach. I'm gonna pretend that my circles are birds. 2 birds were at the beach, and then what did I do? Oh, I had 2 more birds come, so let me draw that. Okay, that looks just like that. Okay, so I'm good. So I had 2 birds at the beach, 2 more birds came. So how many are at the beach now? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's important to write our answer. So I'm gonna write that number 4. Can you write that number 4 too? Down, over, down some more to make the number 4. Excellent. So now we have 4 monkeys. Oh wait, that's not what we are counting. Wait, what were we counting? Not monkeys. Birds, you're right, 4 birds. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna write the word birds. I am. And you know what? I know some of you are like, oh, Mrs. Little, I can't write the word birds yet. Let me show you something, okay? In our problem, they actually have the word birds for us. So I can see, I'm gonna circle my word birds, and I'm gonna just try my best to copy that. Yeah, I am. So let's see. B, and then my next letter, I, R. Are you trying? Excellent. D, S. Oh, I did it, right? So now it says 4 birds. So I drew my picture of my 4 birds and I wrote my answer, 4 birds. Excellent job, mathematicians. You did it. That was a lot of hard work. You thought about the problem. We used our counters to model it, and then we drew our representation on our paper. Excellent work.